I'm Monique Haakensen. I'm the president and principal scientist at Contango Strategies. A bit of my background, I did a PhD in microbiology with some courses and focus on bioinformatics and genetics. We specialize in things such as the design, piloting, and implementation of cold climate constructed wetland treatment systems. So these are things like a wetland that can actually treat water for compounds like arsenic or uranium or oils or all sorts of different compounds that might come off of an oil and gas operation or off of a mine. We tend to work with natural microbial populations that are in the soil or in the water and help to encourage them to promote remediation and treatment along faster timelines and at reduced costs. A lot of what we do is application oriented, so very much directed at solving a current issue or problem for a client. A lot of it's surrounding DNA sequencing technologies and ability to detect different types of organisms. The work that we do is important to everyday life and affects Canadians because we are developing and implementing real-world solutions to promote environmental sustainability. So the type of work that we do and the technologies we've developed through our research and continue to develop contribute to environmental sustainability by cleaning up contaminated sites, but also by preventing contamination and preventing different compounds from getting out into the environment. I've always been somebody who had a lot of questions, and I like solving problems. I saw that this is a real big field for research, a growing area, and a big need. I like the work that we do because it ranges all from ecosystems through to valence electrons. I've worked with academia, I've worked in industry and government, and I just saw there's kind of a missing link there between research getting applied to solve problems in a real-time timeline. So I thought there was a gap there that we could fill and do a lot of interesting research that would have very rapid application to the real world. On the water treatment side, there's a lot of work going on around selenium, trying to understand not just what is it doing in terms of toxicity, but how can it be treated, getting evidence-based guidelines in place for water quality and regulations. On the DNA sequencing side and the genetics side, we're trying to actually move forward to sequence the mRNA or the messenger RNA, which gives you an example of what the microbes are actually currently doing in terms of their metabolism. And if you can understand what they're doing in terms of their metabolism, you can start to work with them a lot more to address remediation challenges and questions. Most of these microbes have never ever been seen before, which I find very exciting, that over 99% of microbes have never ever even been characterized, yet they're doing beneficial things for us every single day.